name is Natalie Virginia, and today I'm going to show you how I make African Mandazi. We have a flour, you put your flour in, and we have sugar, and we're gonna put eggs. I normally put 4 eggs, and if you don't have eggs, it's okay too. So I put 4. Baking soda, I put a little bit. I don't put a lot. And then we put yeast. I put little, don't put a lot. And then put it this aside. Mix with milk. I don't use mine with the water, I use milk because my kids love milk. So mix it together. Okay. Mix together until the flour is disappeared. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go to leave this uh 30 minutes, and then I'll come and show you. So here is the flour itself. Okay. And roll it. Roll. Make sure you roll it until it's a little bit longer, because you don't want to have an even one part is big, another part is not even. Make sure it's very not hard. You need the mass of this to do this. So I do that. Okay. Make sure I roll it so good. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna cut. So grab the knife. Okay. Cut piece. Cut some piece. Okay. There. Grab another one. Okay. When you start smelling the oil, know that it's done. Okay. So, okay. Grab your big spoon, turn it around so they don't burn. Okay. Okay. Make sure you cook it in a raw, not hot, not too hot. So let them cook for a while you are fixing the other ones. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final. As you can see, they are so beautiful. Yeah, that's what we eat in Africa for breakfast.